Hello people, hello. Today I wanted to teach you how to create empty gap between frames in OpenToonz when you want to, for example, I drew the guy who is lifting up weight, but I want to make a position of his hand here. I will show you one of the useful techniques, how to separate frames, because I have separate levels, but I'm using the module. When you go to option draw, depending what module are you using, I'm using raster level because of my paint brushes. Today I will show you how to make a gap between frame to add blank empty frames. For example, you can still do that, but I will show you. Between this frame and between this frame, okay, I will select everything and I will hold this little bit. Now we have empty gap. So you can add blank drawing, the same field, blank drawing. I think this should not be treated like that because this is color card. We do nothing with color card. Now you can use onion pin to draw between this. If you don't want to copy everything, if you want to draw from the beginning. And I hope you like this video. But you have to, once again, you have to select my mouse as quick as possible. You see this blue outline. Once you see this, you can move entire 3 frames at once. Because I have separate level for coloring, separate level for another layer for painting, and separate level for drawing, for creating black outline. And have a nice day, guys. Oh, wait a minute. OpenToonz, why are you saving my thing so long? I have to check if everything is okay. Okay, sometimes it may take a few seconds or couple of seconds before the scene will save. We have got this means blank frame when you start painting. OpenToonz saved blank frames to separate files. That is why I showed you this video tutorial. See you guys.